Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you the new Tropical Traavelogue Deluxe Collector's Edition by Graphic 45. This is video 2 of my 3-part video where I'm showing you my Graphic 45 design team package for summer 2018. So in the collector's edition, what you will receive is the 12 by 12 paper pack along with your chipboard pieces and along with your sticker sheet. Now, let me show you the chipboard pieces first. Try to say that real fast. I'll show you the chipboard pieces first, and they're starting to pop out, so I'm sorry if they do during the video. So anyways, I just want you to see these gorgeous colors. I love them. They use this shade of blue. It's kind of like a water blue. If you've ever visited the ocean, like whether you're at South Padre Island or you live in California or you live in Florida, this is that shade of blue that the water reflects, and I am so loving it. And I tell you, when I was thumbing through this collection, I was like, okay, should I do a mini album? Should I do a traveler's notebook? Or should I try to alter something? So y'all make the call. I will make a video tutorial or project share of my project using these papers right here. And I'll surprise you. I'll go ahead and I'll go by what y'all tell me to do. So leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you'd like me to create using this beautiful collection. So here we have the chipboard pieces. I'm trying to show these to you before they fall off, and they are absolutely beautiful. There goes one. I am loving it. Let me go ahead and put this to the side, and here is the sticker sheet. Now all three pieces you will get in the deluxe collector's edition. I will go ahead and leave you a link to Graphic 45 and this edition in the description area below. Just look at the vibrancy of these colors. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I need to go to the ocean. I need to go to the beach. Okay, so we have these two, and here is the new 12 by 12 Travelogue. You will get it in a paper pack such as this. And let me put this to the side. Now, I've already flipped through all the pages, so I'm sorry if these are not facing the right way. Let me see if I can. We'll just start where I'm at. Okay, so you see this beautiful ocean blue. I absolutely love it, and this is what the front looks like. I know it's scrumptious. I just love this shade of blue, and you get 2 sheets of this, and yeah, I'm going backward. And look at these colors. They are absolutely amazing. Amazing colors. And this is the back to it. They're so happy. That's why I'm giddy. I'm giggling because these colors are happy colors. And if you've seen my craft room tour, you know how much I love animal print. Oh my word, I can't wait to use this. I love, love, love it. See, and because of the colors, the ocean and the animal print, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, look at this. I'm thinking traveler's notebook, perhaps? I don't know. Or, I mean, I could go mini album, but it's your call. We're going to make it y'all's call. So just let me know what you want me to make with this, and I will do it. I'm also thinking about a trifold. What do you call it? Oh, gosh. A trifold mini album, but it's, oh, gee, the term escapes me right now. I love this. I want a pair of shorts in this print. I love it so much. Yes, and here we go. This is what this looks like, and this is the back to it. Absolutely beautiful. And also what you get are these beautiful ephemera type cutout cards that you can trim, so you can use them as your ephemera cards. And this is what the back looks like. And beautiful, beautiful colors. And we have, oh my word, look at this. This is gorgeous. It makes me want to go to the beach. It makes me want to go to South Padre. As some of you know, I live in Texas. I'm in the Houston area, and South Padre is one of the best beaches out there. I tell you, I've been to Florida, I've been to California, I'm from New York, and I love South Padre Island. Here we go. Look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm just loving all these colors. Oh my goodness. And look at this. I'm sorry if you hear a ding. That is my cell phone going off on messages. And so this is what this one looks like. I am so loving this collection. And here is the last of it. Once again, you get some pieces that you can cut out, like ephemera cards and tags and so forth and so on. So it's a mighty good collection. I am so looking forward to using this. It screams vacation. It screams summer fun. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like me to create and make a tutorial or project share for. And I will see y'all once again in the next video. Bye!